Fruit trees require maintenance to keep the weed growth under control. In the past, it would have been normal to apply weedicides like Roundup, but research now being done shows that these sorts of poisons cause major harm to soil microorganisms and are counterproductive if you want to maintain tree health. The alternative to weedicides is to use mulch. And when you mulch regularly, the process of weeding becomes easier and easier. Grass will grow into the orchard area from the outside, and this has to be removed. Once the area around your trees is weeded and the grass is removed, then you can put down cardboard. Cardboard stops the weeds that have been left from growing. After the cardboard is down, you lay quite thick layers of mulch over the top. You can use grass cuttings, sugarcane mulch, or in this case we're using mulch, green waste mulch from the tip, which is excellent. Make sure your layer of mulch is thick because it will break down fairly quickly. Once this is done, your orchard area will be weed free for a number of months and will look extremely good.